Hey kids, are you ready to learn how you can start earning money just by doing fun things? Today, we're going to explore cool ways to make some extra cash through chores, small tasks, and creative projects. Let's start. Imagine if you could earn money by doing things you enjoy or helping out around the house. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's possible. Stick with us to find out how. Whether you're saving up for a new toy, a fun game, or just want to have some extra money, there are lots of ways you can start earning it right now. Let's look at some easy and fun ideas. Sometimes, kids want to earn money but aren't sure where to start. It can be confusing to figure out what to do and how much to charge. Don't worry, we'll break it down for you. Here are 10 awesome ways you can earn money. 1. Doing chores. Help out with simple chores like washing the car, organizing toys, or cleaning your room. You can ask your parents if there are small tasks around the house that you can do. For example, maybe you can earn $1 for helping to tidy up the living room. 2. Small tasks for neighbors. Offer to do small jobs for neighbors like watering their plants or finding their missing pet. You might make a few dollars each time you help. 3. Creative projects. Get crafty. You can make and sell handmade bookmarks, greeting cards, or even homemade cookies. Set up a little stand at home or a local event. Imagine how much fun it is to create something and sell it. 4. Pet sitting. If your family has pets, offer to take care of them while neighbors are away. You can feed them, play with them, and make sure they're happy. Your family might even pay you a little for your help. 5. Tutoring. If you're really good at a school subject or a skill like playing an instrument, you can help younger kids who need a bit of extra practice. You can earn money by being their study buddy. 6. Garage sales. Organize a garage sale with your family. You can sell old toys, books, and games you no longer use. It's a great way to earn money and declutter your space. 7. Lemonade stand. On a hot day, set up a lemonade stand in front of your house. Make lemonade with your parents' help and sell it to neighbors and friends. It's a classic way to make some cash while having fun. 8. Plant care. Offer to help with garden work like planting flowers or vegetables. You can also help with weeding or watering plants. Your efforts will keep the garden beautiful and earn you some money. 9. Recycling. Collect cans and bottles from around your neighborhood and take them to a recycling center. You can earn money for recycling and help the environment at the same time. And 10. Seasonal jobs. Depending on the time of year, you can offer to help with seasonal tasks like raking leaves in the fall, shoveling snow in the winter, or picking up sticks in the spring. Each of these activities is a fun way to make some money and learn new skills. Plus, they all give you a chance to help out and make a difference. Here's the best part. Earning money through these activities is not only fun but also super rewarding. Imagine how exciting it is to see your hard work pay off. You can save up for something special or use it to buy your favorite treat. So, remember, kids, you can start earning money by doing chores, helping neighbors, or using your creativity. Just ask your parents for ideas and get started today. Want to see more fun and exciting ways to earn money? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Share your ideas in the comments below and let us know how you're earning your cash. Keep shining, and see you next time.